As global attention to environmental protection increases, clean energy development has become an important issue for various countries. Biomass carbonization technology plays a key role in this transformation. As a clean fuel, carbonized combustible gas can replace traditional oil and natural gas, significantly reducing the emission of carbon dioxide and harmful gases, and reducing air pollution. Carbonization technology reduces waste disposal pressure and reduces the environmental burden caused by landfilling and incineration. It reduces the cost of garbage disposal and secondary pollution, and effectively utilizes biomass resources. Biomass resources are widely distributed and renewable, and the use of carbonization technology can improve the diversity and stability of energy supply and enhance national energy security. Biochar applied to soil can effectively sequester carbon, reduce carbon dioxide concentration in the atmosphere, and improve soil health. Biochar is becoming an emerging force in the carbon credit market due to its significant carbon sequestration capabilities. The carbon credit market incentivizes companies and organizations to take emission reduction measures by pricing and trading carbon emissions.